Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshay and today we have with us the Microsoft Edition Redmi Note 4. Well, this is not an official release just like the S8, but you can convert your Android device with some app installed and changing the settings to the default to the Microsoft Edition device. Well, in this video, let's find out how you can do so. Take my word, the experience is really great. Let's start, shall we? Hey, what's up guys? So this is a different kind of setup. This is the Redmi Note 4, which is currently the Microsoft edition with some app installed. So I will guide you how you can do this. This is my laptop, which is Core i5, 4 gigs of RAM, and currently it is on Windows 10 False Creators Update. So actually I will leave a link of card right here so you can check that video out. In that we reviewed it and we gave you the tutorial how you can install on your computer. So make sure you watch that video, install Windows 10 False Creators Update. So once you are on the Windows 10 False Creators Update, you can go to the Start menu, go to the Settings, and in the Settings you can find a Phone section. Click on Phone. And now you have to connect your Android device or iOS device with this one. We are currently showing for the Android device because there's a lot more features and you can make it like the Microsoft Edition. So it will ask you for the country code and the phone number. Once you enter the phone number, you will receive a message on your Android device or iOS device. Probably there is no launcher, so in the iOS device you might receive some Microsoft Office app link, but in Android device you will receive launcher link. So you can either download it from the Play Store or download through the link. I would recommend downloading through the link because in that way the device will be registered on the Microsoft account. You can see on the screen my phone is registered, and once you sign in with your Microsoft account, all things are automatically set up. This is the cards, so you can customize the cards the way you want. You can customize the whole launcher the way you want, and it is automatically backed up to the cloud. So let me minimize the screen right now. So you can see the wallpapers are provided by Bing. So just now the wallpaper got updated on my phone, and you can update the wallpaper with pressing the B icon. That is Bing. So the high quality wallpaper is directly from Bing. On PC it is updated daily, but you can customize it the way you want. And now you can see the subscriber widget. So the beauty of this launcher is that you can add widget as a cards. It means you can customize it, you can resize it, and you can see this is the OneNote. So OneNote is an important note-taking app for me. So it is available on the Play Store and it is pre-built in the Windows Store or the Windows 10. So we generally use this to keep the important stuff, and you can see the documents. So as I access the OneNote on my PC, you can see Akshay's notebook is listed here. It means all the documents that you access on your computer would be available on your phone in this widget. Very nice. So we actually demonstrated how the continuum works on the Windows 10 False Creators Update. So you can check that video. And now all the documents are synced and it will work very nice. It makes the work more easier. Also you can customize the feed, you can add or remove items, or you can add the widgets. So all the widgets that is available on your phone you can add as a card. So you can add as many as cards you want, which is good. Also the full launcher is customizable. Now let's go to the launcher settings. And now you can see I have been signed on my Microsoft account. So the profile picture will be updated according to the profile picture on your PC. So it actually comes from the Microsoft account. So once you updated the profile picture there, it will be also reflected on your phone, which is very nice. Also you can back up all the stuff to the cloud, which is great. Now let's demonstrate the more features. So this comes from the Nova launcher. Actually you can customize everything from wallpaper to the theme. And let's go to the theme, and in the accent color, you can see this accent color is actually coming from the theme in the Windows 10. So let me go to the desktop, press the right click, and let's go to the personalize. In the personalize, let's go to colors, and now you can see the colors on the screen, a theme screen, is actually matching to the colors on the phone. So a nice way of the consistency between your devices. And you can customize the app folders, you can customize the dark or light background, which is also available on your Windows 10 computers. So now let's demonstrate another feature. In this you can customize the app layout. So if you want like more icons on your screen, you can do that. So I updated to the 5, And you also have custom icon pack, which is a great feature. So in custom ROMs, if you feel the icons is not matching the launcher, you can just customize the way you want and done. So you can see the icons got updated, and these features are actually in the Nova Prime. So actually, I have a licensed version of Nova Prime, but you're getting all these features for free. You also have gestures in this device, like in this launcher. So very nice. One of my favorite feature is Cortana. All you have to do is just press the home button and there you have it. Actually, you have to set it to default. Hey Cortana, sing a song. And now you can see there is slow internet connection and the same Cortana is also present on your computer. Let's wait, slow internet connection. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Sweet, isn't it? So all your cards are synced. So you set a reminder on your computer and it is available on your phone. So all the reminders, all the calendars are synced. Also, you have Cortana on the lock screen. So you can see the this icon. You can move it anywhere and swipe, and there you have it, Cortana on your lock screen. You can ask to do anything, or you can see all the cards that is available on your computer. A very nice way of continuity between your PC and your Android device. So now let's go to the Microsoft folder. So actually this is the folder that I was talking about. All the Microsoft apps are here and you can download it from the Play Store. And I didn't check out all of them. So the Outlook is my favorite mail app. You can link as many accounts you want, and the same Outlook app is also available on the Windows 10 computer. So actually a great way of continuity. Also like the popular apps like the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or even Savan, this music app is also available on the Windows 10 computer. This is the remote desktop client. You need a Windows 10 Pro for that, and you can control your device from your phone. And there are a lot of apps that I didn't check out. All are great, but I don't want all of them. So now let's go to the SMS organizer. So this is a very nice messaging app. So you can delete your promotional apps and you will only notified only for important messages. Oh my god, this is so useful. Now let's demonstrate another feature, which is the notification sync. Now you can see all the notifications on my phone are now available on the notification panel of the computer. So you have new message, you will be notified on your computer. All you have to do is turn on notification in the Cortana app, and you can even reply to the messages. So maybe it's WhatsApp, maybe it's Twitter. You can reply. Now let's demonstrate. Let's send this message. Probably it won't work because I think this is a messaging. This is a no reply message from Geo. Let's see if this works. And it didn't show up. Let's check the notification. Yeah, Cortana says it looks like there is a problem. So probably it is a no reply message. That's why it didn't send. But actually it works. I tried replying in WhatsApp group and it worked. Another great feature is the Microsoft Edge browser. Finally, it is here on Android and I like it. Let's go to a beautiful website. And now if you want to continue this page on your PC, just press continue on PC. Once you press the icon, it will search for a device, and if your Microsoft account is linked, the device will show up. So let's wait, my internet connection is slow, and you can see the Akshay PC right here. Just click on it and see, boom, it's on your computer. No more hassles to copy and paste the link. You have the article right on the computer. Also, you can click on continue next time. And this is not it. You can actually send media. So in the recent activities, let's consider we are sending the media. Click on continue on PC, and you will be notified on computer about this message. So overall, I actually love this continuity between my Android device and computer. It is very useful if you want to be a productive, and it just makes your life more easier. Hope you liked this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and there are many apps that you can check out. If you want some more suggestions, leave the comments down below. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.